Like and subscribe to Desi Engine. Click the bell button to receive the latest video.
Hello friends, today we are going to learn about alphabets and the respective sound that they make. So let's get started. The first alphabet is A and it has two sounds, one long sound and one short sound. The long sound is A as in ape and the short sound is A as in apple. The next alphabet is B and the sound that it makes is B as in ball. Next alphabet is C and the sound that it makes is K. The next alphabet is D and the sound that it makes is D. D. The next alphabet is E. This also has two sounds, one long sound and one short sound. The long sound is E as in eagle and the short sound is E as in elephant, elephant. The next alphabet is F and the sound that it makes is F. The next alphabet is G. This also has two sounds. The first sound that it makes is G and the next sound that it makes is J as in giraffe. Next alphabet is H and the sound that it makes is It's not H, it's The next alphabet is I. This also has two sounds, one long sound and one short sound. The long sound is I as in ice cream and the short sound is E as in igloo. The next alphabet is J and the sound that it makes is J. Next alphabet is K and the sound that it makes is K. The next alphabet is L and the sound that it makes is ill, ill. The next alphabet is M and the sound that it makes is im, im. The next alphabet is N and the sound that it makes is in, in. Next alphabet is O. This also has two sounds, one long sound and one short sound. The long sound is O as in oval, oval. The short sound is O as in octopus. It's O. The next alphabet is P and the sound that it makes is P. It's P. The next alphabet is Q and the sound that it makes is Q, Q. The next alphabet is R and the sound that it makes is R, R. The next alphabet is S and the sound that it makes is S, S, like the hissing of a snake. So, the next alphabet is T and the sound that it makes is T. The next alphabet is U. Even this has a long sound and a short sound. The long sound is U as in unicorn and the short sound is as in umbrella. The next alphabet is V and the sound that it makes is V, V. The next alphabet is W. Let's come to the next alphabet and that is X and the sound that it makes is kus, kus. It's like saying K and S together, kus. The next alphabet is Y. And the sound that it makes is Y. Y. The next alphabet is Z. And the sound that it makes is Z. Z. So today we learnt about the alphabets and the sounds that they make. Meet you again in the next class.